Let's check this corner first. Looks good, pound it in. Hold on, excavator's here. Let's check this line. Looks good to me. Keep digging that trench! Copy that. Make sure those rebar ties are tight. We are on it, boss. Good. We need to pour concrete on. Keep it flowing, guys. Level that section right now. Looks pretty good from here. We need to finish before dark. We need to get these rebar cages aligned properly. Right, let's crack on with the column bases. First floor column construction is moving fast. Forms are set, and the concrete pour begins. Guide it right down to the mark. Got it, secure the base. Now let's get those braces on. Perfect, it's... The reinforcement looks... Keep it flowing right there. Place that bar right here. Secure that beam now. Pour it in there, level it off. All done. Right then, let's get these upper columns moving. Roger that, we are ready on the ground. Splendid, keep it pushing, everyone. Let's get that rebar grid secured before the concrete arrives. Copy that, we are placing the last supports now. Perfect, bring the... The trusses are all set. Perfect, let's... Looks spot on, doesn't it? Aye, brilliant job. Keep it going, guys, we're on a roll. That's a solid day's work right there. Get that glass pane centered. We are on it. Let's add some decorative brackets under those eaves. I agree, that will look much better. Perfect, that really completes the look. Pass that bucket up, will you? Yeah, I am on it. Looks good from here. Looks good. We need to finish this wall before sunset. We need to get these stairs framed properly. I'll check the measurements. Checking the final circuits now. Main breakers on, go ahead. Perfect, everything looks fully operational. Let's get this final coat on before sunset. Looks great, perfect color. We finally did it. Looks good and fits perfectly. Best view in the world. The paving on the entrance must be finished by 5. Looks good, make sure the glass is spotless. I'll check it now.